Alright, welcome to day number 2 of Ricoh Gr3 versus X100V. I felt like the Ricoh dominated on day 1, so I decided to turn this into a 3-day battle. Anyways, we're going to drop into Hollywood today and see if we can't come up with some photos and see what camera wins. See you guys in the streets. Alright, that's a wrap for day number 2. Let me know which camera you think won in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video in 2 days. Peace.